Hi guys, I wanted to make a quick video just to kind of catch up with you guys and let you know what's going on behind the scenes of Mini Modernz and what I've kind of been doing in my year of miniatures and how I see this small business going and the dreams and aspirations that I have for it, and just wanted to share some of the ideas of what's going to be coming. First, I'd like to start by obviously thanking you guys so much for riding with me for this year and, you know, supporting me in this crazy adventure. And starting a business from scratch by yourself is very daunting when you don't have any knowledge or skills or anything about it. So I kind of wanted to make this video for anyone else who was like me, who is making miniatures and wants to do this full time, and just documenting my journey and how it's going so far. So some of you may know that I've already opened up an Etsy store, I've got a Patreon, I have all the, you know, the social media things that you're supposed to have. I am literally not the best at them. I do need to work on that. So I do need to work on my social media presence in general. But some of you may or may not already know that I am a mum of 3 kids, my youngest being 2 at this current time, and having the time to do anything, like even scratch my arse, is an issue. So even that in itself, it makes it really hard. And I do have a medical condition called fibromyalgia, which means that I have days where I'm basically chronic pain and fatigue, and it gets really crazy. So trying to juggle having a condition and kids and having a business is really difficult, but I'm so blessed and thankful to have had the opportunity to even try this out in life. And there's something that I would say to people: if you do have something that you want to do, just go for it. Just go for it and just take that gamble, because you never know where it might lead. And for myself, I've met so many incredible people within the miniature community, and who are not as well, who just like the work that I do, and I'm just like, wow, you like what I do? So that being said, just wanted to give you an update of what's to come for Mini Modernz, and you know what I see this business being, and I hope you guys are along for the ride as well. So obviously, as you know, so far I've been making dioramas, and that's like miniature printables and products and stuff like that, but I found my niche, and that's one thing. As a beginner, it was, where do I fit in this world? And I've realized that I like to create realism in my miniatures. I like to make things from scratch, and I just absorb everything that there is. So for me, I just love watching even Dungeons and Dragons type miniatures, anyone making clay, just anything in the artistic world. I've realized it's so incredible. To be a part of it just feels so warm and fuzzy. So there's not like one box that I fit in terms of my love for the art world. I love it all. I found that there's a little piece, and before I started miniatures, I used to crochet and knit, and I thought that was my realm until I discovered miniatures. I was like, hell no, I like doing the small things, and I've discovered that I can crochet and knit the small things as well. So it's just like I've had the little bit abilities before, but now just putting it into perspective, it's like, wow, okay, there's a lot we can do here, and in the mini world there is so much more. And as I said, so going forward, as well as making like dioramas and room boxes and just little miniatures in general, I know my realm is in realism and creating moments, because I found that those moments that are just like frozen in time, they can be so special. So the miniatures and dioramas that I have at the moment, they're like freeze frames of moments, and I found that's what I've enjoyed doing in the miniature world. So that's what I'll continue to do, as well as other things. Those other things, it still links in with creating moments, and I'm going to show you right here, guys, or segue into the new product that I'm working on. This here is a work of art from my mother. My mum and my sister, they're both artists. And this one here is my sister's artwork here. I will leave a link to their Instagrams and stuff as well if you want to check them out. I've found that creating memories in miniatures is something that I've somehow gone towards. As I said, dioramas, room boxes. I've had a few requests to do like custom rooms. People have sent me photos of their kids' rooms, and they want to keep that memory. So those are things that I'll be showing in the future as well, what I've been doing, like behind the scenes type thing. But as I said, creating memories and freezing time is something that I've found I enjoy, and the realism of it all. So when my mum and sister, they sent me their work of art, I was like, oh my God, these are so gorgeous, you know. And I was making a room box. Time of this recording, it's completely completed. But whether it's out on video for you guys yet, I do not know, so we'll have to see. But there was a piece of work. My mum takes photos of just random things and she'll send me the photo. And she has like a garden and she grows her like vegetables and all of that kind of stuff. And she sent me a picture, but the angle was so nice. And I was putting my diorama together and I was like, I need that picture in my diorama. And I will show you the picture here. And then when that was done, I was like, obviously miniature art is dear to my heart anyway. I love art. I'm not the best artist, but I can appreciate good art. But then I was like, I want real art from real people. And then it gave me the idea to make earrings and wearable jewelry. I thought there's so many artists and photographers out there who have fantastic work, and I wanted to kind of be a part of their memories in that work. And it led me to making earrings and rings that hold those memories. So these are works of art not done by me that I have created into earrings and rings. So if you can see, and the rings are adjustable, and I've just been working on this in the background of making customizable jewelry that you can wear yourself. So even myself here, these are like my mini modern earrings. So I've done matching sets of the rings and the earrings, and it told in different styles as well. They're absolutely adorable. So these will be coming very, very soon on the market. So within the next 7 to 10 days, these will be available for you guys. You can buy these ones as they are with the art already in, or you could upload your own artwork and then I convert them into a beautiful memory and a piece of art that you get to keep forever or send as a gift to someone. As Christmas is coming up, I feel like this is the perfect time to kind of share these things. So if you got something that you know someone likes, give it to Mini Modernz, give it to your girl. I will hook it up and get it sent out to you. So in 10 days, I'm going to say 10 days to give myself enough time. In 10 days, we are going to be launching this new brand of earrings and jewelry to create memories. Mini modern memories. There we go. Mini modern memories, guys. Mini Modernz memories. So we are going to get your memories locked in, locked on. Everything I've done is from scratch. I've been working on it. So these type of earrings, the dangly ones, these are made from clay and resin. I've made the cards myself. Everything has been completely handmade. I wanted it all to have that unique feel, like, you know, you're only going to get this in one place. You know what I mean? You're not getting this anywhere else. This is your own personal, unique piece of art and memory. And these could be anything you choose. It could just be a piece of art that you created yourself, a photo you've taken, just any kind of memory that you want to keep locked in. They're a great gift. They're a great keepsake. And by George, it's a great idea. So this is one of the things I said Mini Modernz is working on right now. Even this one right here, this was a ring I made. I took a picture of the sky and I just loved the angle. And these are adjustable rings, so I've got them on my pinky finger. You can adjust it so it fits whichever. So they start off quite small, so kids can wear these. They're just really super cool. 10 days new product launch. I'm so excited for it. You can contact me via email. You can see that in the description on my YouTube, or you can just contact me to get it on Instagram, Facebook and Patreon. You can message me there. If you want to DM me to get private orders, you can also do that, but they will be available in Etsy in 10 days. Let's do the countdown with me, guys. 10 days, we are going to be getting new products out from Mini Modernz. I'm really excited about it, and I hope you guys are too, and just give me some feedback what you think about this, and I hope you enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe.